In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily block pop-ups on Safari on an iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning. So first off, we need to head over to Settings and then scroll down until we find Safari. Here it is. Once we get into Safari settings, we need to just scroll down a bit until we find that block pop-ups. That's where we can easily block all the pop-ups at any website simply by activating that option. Just keep in mind that if you block pop-ups on Safari, it may cut some functionality on some specific websites where, let's say, you are able to log in with the pop-up or something like that. So if you got some issues with specific websites, you can head over to Settings here, turn off that option, then go to Safari, then do the stuff you need on some websites, and then you can go back here and turn that option on. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.